The region for low reactivity of aryl and vinyl halides. The alkyl halides, aryl halides and vinyl halides all contains carbon halogen bond. But aryl halide and vinyl halides are far less reactive than haloalkane toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. The region of low reactivity of aryl and vinyl halide can be explained on the basis of resonance effect. So let us consider it. The chlorobenzene can be represented as a resonance hybrid of flowing 5 structure. So this one is the structure number 1 in this case. This additional lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation between halogen and carbon of the ring, and this pi bond it will shift toward this side. So negative charge that will appear on this carbon, and this carbon and halogen it will acquire double bond character, and positive charge comes on the halogen. Now this additional lone pair it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond it will shift toward this carbon. So this carbon acquired negative charge and pi bond come between these two carbon. Now this lone pair it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond it will shift toward this carbon. So this carbon acquired negative charge with the formation of this carbon-carbon pi bond. And finally this additional lone pair it will take part in the pi bond formation, and a fresh pi bond will appear between these two carbon, and this pi electron it will goes back to the halogen with the formation of structure number 5. So it is very much clear from structure number 2, 3 and 4 that the carbon halogen bond acquired some double bond character, which causes shortening of the bond length of carbon halogen. The normal carbon halogen bond having bond length that is equal to 1.80 angstrom, while in case of aryl halide the carbon halogen bond that is corresponding to 1.69 angstroms. So due to that the carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene is little stronger than alkyl halides and hence cannot be easily broken. Similarly, vinyl halide can also be represented by a resonance hybrid of flowing these two structures. Now this additional lone pair it will take part in the pi bond formation. So fresh pi bond that will appear between carbon and halogen, and this pi bond will shift toward this carbon. So this carbon acquired negative charge and the halogen that will acquire positive charge, and a pi bond will form between carbon and halogen. As a result, carbon chlorine bond in vinyl halide like in chlorobenzene is little stronger than as comparison to the alkyl halides, so hence it can not be easily broken. Further, since aryl halide are stabilized by 5 resonating structure from structure number 1 to 5, and vinyl halide is stabilized by only 2 structures, structure number 6 to 7. Therefore, vinyl halide are little more reactive than aryl halide toward nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now the case of the side chain substituted halogen compound, and it is benzyl chloride. These compounds are more reactive than the nuclear substituted aryl halides. The greater reactivity of these benzyl chloride is due to the resonance stabilization of the intermediate carbon. So let us consider the resonating structure of benzyl carbocations. So now this pi bond, it will shifted toward this side. So this carbon and carbon of the ring, it will acquire double bond character and positive charge comes on the carbon ring. So structure number 2 will get formed. Now this pi bond shifted toward this side. A fresh pi bond will appear between these two carbon with the formation of positive charge on this carbon. Now again this pi bond will shifted toward this side and fresh pi bond will come between these two carbon and positive charge comes on this carbon. And finally this pi bond is shifted toward this side with the formation of carbon-carbon pi bond and positive charge that will appear again on the benzyl carbon. So due to the resonance stabilization of benzyl carbocation, the bond between carbon and halogen can easily break down and they can undergo fast nucleophilic substitution reaction by strong nucleophiles such as hydroxyl, amines and cyanide ions. The last case is the reactivity of allyl halides. In allyl halides, the reactivity of halogen is just opposite to that of vinyl halides. If we can look the structure of the vinyl halides, then it is very much clear. These two carbon which will holding the carbon-carbon double bond, they are sp2 hybrid, and carbon which is directly attached with the halogen, that is sp3 hybrid. So due to this, no interaction is possible from the p orbital of first two carbon atom with the carbon attached to the halogens. On the other hand, the release of halogen will give a carbocation which will resonance stabilized of these two structures. So let us consider it. Now this bond can break out with the formation of chloride ion and the positive charge that will appear on this carbon. So the first allyl carbocation will get formed. Now this allyl carbocation, it is stabilized by the resonance. This pi bond, it will shifted toward this side and fresh pi bond will appear between these two carbon with the formation of the structure number 2 and positive charge that comes on this carbon. So due to the resonance stabilizations, the formation of allyl carbocation is easy, which means this bond can break easily and the reaction will proceed very fast in nucleophilic substitution reaction due to the greater stability of the allyl carbocations. So if we can compare the reactivity order, then benzyl will react faster as comparison to allyls, and the reactivity of vinyl and aryl halide, it is less as comparison to the alkyl halide. So it is all about the comparison of reactivity of alkyl halides, vinyl halide, aryl halides, benzyl halide and allyl halides.